Chapter 1. The Wonderful World of Science. Teacher, students, did you know that everything around us is because of science? Even this chalk I'm holding is a result of science. Rahul, ma'am, how is chalk related to science? Teacher, chalk is made from limestone. The process of making it for writing involves science. Ria, without science, we wouldn't even have chalk to write with. Teacher, exactly. Science helps us understand and create everything we use in our daily lives, from simple things like chalk to complex technology. Let's learn more about science. From a young age, humans are naturally curious about the world around them. This curiosity drives us to explore and ask questions. Think about how babies and toddlers constantly touch, taste and observe everything about them. This natural curiosity is the foundation of science. As we grow up, we will continue this fascinating journey, trying to explore and understand the beautiful world we live in. And for that, we have a new subject, science. Welcome to the wonderful world of science. Science. Science is a way of thinking, observing, and doing things to understand our world and uncover the secrets of the universe. Science is omnipresent, it is into everything and everywhere, whether we notice or not. The road we walk on, the house we live in, the utensils we use, the clothes we wear, the soaps, toothpaste, medicines, fans, air conditioners, even the chairs and beds, have been produced only due to scientific advancement. In a way, everything around us is the product of science, or to be more precisely, wonders of science. Science is like a giant and never-ending jigsaw puzzle. Every discovery we make adds another piece to that puzzle. And do you know the best thing about this puzzle? There is no limit to what we can discover, since every new piece of knowledge leads to more questions and more things to find out. Sometimes, we find that a piece of this puzzle has been put in the wrong place and needs to be moved. Discoveries often change our understanding of the world. As you go through this book, you will encounter interesting ideas, do some thought-provoking experiments, and see how some of what we will find out is useful in our daily lives. Scientific method. The scientific method is a step-by-step process that scientists use to find answers to questions and solve problems. It helps us understand the world by following these steps. Observation. Notice something interesting or unclear. Question. Think of a question about what you observed. Hypothesis. Make a tentative assumption, hypothesis, about the answer to your question. Experiment. Test your hypothesis by doing an experiment or making more observations. Analysis. Interpret the results of your experiments to see if they support your hypothesis. Conclusion. Decide whether your hypothesis was correct based on the results of your experiment or not. Example of the scientific method. Pen stops writing. Observation. The pen stops writing. Question. Why does it stop? Hypothesis. The ink finishes. Experiment. Check the ink refill. Analysis. If empty, the guess is correct. If not, make another guess. That is, the ink dried up. Conclusion. According to the guess, there are several daily life situations where we apply the scientific methods to some extent, learning science will develop our capabilities for finding solutions to bigger problems and solving more mysteries of the universe. And to be able to learn science well, the first and foremost thing is to be curious and observe your surroundings keenly. And when we are curious, we start posing questions, asking how and why. Just remember, the world is full of things we do not know, things that are waiting to be explored. Exploring our surroundings. Rishi and Priya have begun exploring their surroundings to understand how life exists and how things happen around us. We know that the Earth is the only planet that sustains life. So, it is our responsibility to protect the environment that surrounds us. Let us learn about how our surroundings help us to live a healthy life. As you relax in the fresh air, notice the trees around you. Look at their leaves. What are their shapes and sizes? Can you spot different birds? Check their beaks and try to guess what they eat. You might also see insects. Watch how they move, whether they crawl, hop, or fly. Later, while having breakfast, think about the food that you are eating. How did it reach your plate? The food we eat mirrors the vast geographical and cultural diversity of our country. As you get ready for school, do not forget to pack your lunch box and water bottle. Water is equally important for us to stay alive. Water changes form from ice to water, liquid, to water vapor, and it moves in a cycle from oceans and rivers, forming clouds and returning as rain or snow. This is called the water cycle, and it is important for life. Scientist, the problem solver. Scientists are the people who follow the scientific method to solve problems or to discover new things. Science is all around us, from tiny particles of sand to huge mountains, from a single leaf to an entire forest. Science helps us to find answers of unsolved questions and solve mysteries. It helps us to understand the world better. Involvement of science in different processes. Science is everywhere and involved in every process. Without science, we cannot imagine our lives. If we talk about our planet, science is involved behind this. As we know, Earth is the only planet that supports life, and it has an environment that we must protect. There is an amazing variety of life on Earth, plants and animals that have managed to survive and thrive in different regions on this planet. You might have seen a seed growing into a plant, a caterpillar transforming into a beautiful butterfly, and many other such observations. Behind all these observations, science is involved. How do these plants and animals grow? Of course, to grow, we need food to eat, and especially in a large and diverse country like India, food is fascinating. Across the country, we have different cuisines with many tasty dishes. Along with food, we need water to survive. Water freezes and becomes ice when we cool it and turns into steam when we heat it. There are so many different things around us. The paper we write on, the metal key, the plastic ruler, the rubber eraser in our box, the magnet that keeps the box closed, the clothes we wear, the cup we drink milk from, and so many other things. Gifts of science. Thousands of things we use in our daily life are the gifts of science. Here is a look at some of these. Electricity. The invention of electricity led to an incredible change for the human civilization. Electricity helps run trains, heavy machinery, industries and other heavy wagons. Air conditioners, electric fans, electric heaters, lights all have made our lives more comfortable. Essentially, all the scientific technologies rest on electricity. Medicine and surgery. Science has provided us with wonderful medicines that offer immediate relief. Science has helped us overcome many dangerous and deadly diseases. Many vaccinations and medicines have been discovered to save people from different diseases. Now, almost every part of the human body can be transplanted through surgery. This advancement allows our eyes to see, ears to hear, and legs to walk. Scientists are innovating new and improved methods for surgeries. Medical science has undergone remarkable improvements. Blood transfusion and organ transplantation are now possible. The inventions of X-rays, ultrasonography, ECG, MRI, penicillin, etc., have made diagnosis of medical conditions much easier. Traveling and transportation. Science has made our traveling fast and comfortable. We can reach any part of the world within few hours. We can travel by buses, cars, trains, ships, aeroplanes and other vehicles. They not only carry us but also transport goods and materials to faraway places quickly and safely. Communication. Science has brought about a great change in the way of communication. This is not the time when we have to wait for a long time for a reply to our letter. This is the time when we can talk to our relatives even if they are too far away from us. We can talk to them and can even see them on our mobile phones. We can contact them from any part of the world. Mobiles and also internet have helped reduce distance between people. Agriculture. Science has proven to be a real friend for farmers. Many innovations and also discoveries help farmers grow high-quality crops. Harvesting machines, tractors, manures, and also good quality seeds are among the gifts of science to farmers. In the dairy business, modern machinery is aiding in business. Science has improved their lifestyle. Entertainment. The first means of entertainment that science has given us was radio. People used to listen to their favorite songs and news on it. However, science has amazed us by its new innovations in the field of entertainment. Now, we can watch TV on our mobiles. We can watch live telecast and videos on mobiles, TV and also on computers. We cannot imagine our lives without these. Education and industry. Science has urbanized our education and trade sectors. Therefore, the innovations of printing, typing, binding, etc. have boosted our education system. Similarly, from the inventions of needle, scissors, and sewing machine to the invention of heavy industrial machinery, there have been wonders in the industrial field. Outer space. Did you know that science made it possible for humans to land on the moon? When we watch videos about the moon landing, we see how science can take us to places that we have never imagined. Science not only helps us explore the outer space, it also makes our daily lives easier. It is because of science that we have cars, trains, planes, and even mobile phones. So, what do you think? Are you ready to join Rahul and Riya on this expedition? Just like them, you can use your curiosity to explore the wonders of the world around you. Science is all about asking questions, being curious, and never pausing the adventure of learning. Remember, Science is not just something we read about in books. It is the cause behind everything that happens around us every day. So, friends, keep asking questions and exploring, just like our fellow explorers. The world is full of mysteries waiting for you to uncover.